Into number 1, where we have 4 and 85 hundredths here. This is our dividend. It's the number that's being divided or split up. That goes underneath. 5 is our divisor. It goes on the outside. Now, once we have our problem set up, whenever it's going to go in the answer. And in the case of this video, our divisors are going to be whole. So we can bring that decimal 45, and that's as close 5. So well, 7 and 85 and we hit 35 here. Exactly. So 7 times 5 is our dividend. The divisor underneath number. Our division bar. It's the number being outside here. And in the case of now, we always ask ourselves this question, although we know the answer to it in this video, you will get to a point. Now we can't divide start by 5 and get a whole number. So 9 divided by 6, groups of 5 out of 4. 9. So 48. We need to include the 8 here. So we can put a 0 divided by 5. How many whole groups of 5 out of 40s we can get? So 9 groups and of 5 divided by 5. How many 45? 6 out of 51. Subtract, we get 5 divided by 5. Subtract, so how many whole groups of 5 out of 35? Now we went 7 all the way, and so this is something we cannot do. We do not put 3, so we need something to bring down without changing 5 and 1/10. So what we can do, we can add a 0 here, place a 0 on the end of 95 and 1/10, because placing zeros at the end of a decimal does not change the problem at all. So now we have something to bring down. The 0 on the end and bring that down. Now we have 6 is 30. I'm running out of room here, and 30 gives us that 0. So we hundredths. Now, some problems require you to place multiple zeros on the end, and in order to continue the problem until you get a clean cut number 2 there, and that is how you divide a decimal by a whole number. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace. With Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to be covering how 5 hundredths divided by 5. And the first thing we need to do here, this is our dividend. It's the number that's being divided.